A poor young man named Li Wei, living in a crowded neighborhood, discovers he has the power to hear other people's thoughts. Show his daily struggles, working hard to survive, and how this power sometimes helps him but also causes pain. Li Wei encounters Mei Ling, a beautiful and very wealthy woman from a powerful family.
Li Wei, I'm sorry, I wasn't watching where I was going. Mei Ling, it's quite all right.
He accidentally hears her inner thoughts and realizes that, despite her perfect image, she feels lonely and trapped in her golden cage. Li Wei secretly helps Mei Ling in small ways, using his mind-reading ability without her knowing.
Mei Ling, sometimes I feel like no one really sees me, Li Wei. I think you're more remarkable than you realize.
They begin to develop feelings for each other, but their worlds are so different, rich versus poor. Show their conversations, romantic tension, and emotional music.
That boy is beneath our family standards.
Mei Ling's family disapproves of Li Wei, believing he is unworthy. Li Wei also struggles with the moral dilemma of using his power. Should he confess that he knows her secret feelings?
I wish someone could truly understand my heart.
In the final scene, Mei Ling whispers to herself that she wishes someone could truly understand her heart.
You wish someone could see past the golden cage and love the real you.
Li Wei, standing nearby, finally speaks the exact words from her mind, shocking her and leaving the story on a dramatic cliffhanger.